Hey YouTube, how the heck you doing? I'm doing great and hope you are too. Gonna do a little unboxing and quick look at this bad boy right here. That's the new Insta360 Flow 2 Pro. I've been using another gimbal for my phone in the past, and we're gonna do a comparison video probably a week or so down the road because I gotta play with this a little bit. But let's go ahead, unbox this guy, and just see what's inside. So when I picked this up, we got the Flow 2, and it also gave me this little magnetic phone mount, which let's go ahead and open that up and see just exactly what it's going to do for us. Pretty simple packaging. Got the little fold up or flip up top. Got the manual to read the instructions, which we probably won't do. Inside we have this little mount here. So let's go ahead and drop them out. I think that's all that was in there. Yeah, all that was in there. So this is the mount you will use to adhere your phone. It's MagSafe on the back, so it's going to clip right onto the back of my iPhone. It does have a few flip down things. I can't really show you because my phone is being used, but it does have the flip down so you can stand it up in portrait. You can probably lay it down in landscape mode. Looks like it's going to be pretty sturdy. It's a good metal piece. It's got their little Insta360 logo there, Insta360 logo on that side. And on the MagSafe side, it does have a nice little padded material. I don't think it's kind of rubbery, so I don't think it's going to rub away too quick. But that was a nice little gift. It was for the first so many buyers of the Flow. But let's go ahead and open up this guy. So, like I've been saying, I've been using another gimbal. It was the Osmo Mobile 6 that I've been using in the past for my projects and stuff. But we're going to see how we do on this guy. It's got some new features as far as follow and everything. Let's see, it's on an AI-powered deep track, so it's going to be able to track me better than the OM6. You can do a camera app, FaceTime, so it tracks you in more than just like the app that comes with it. So the DJI app comes with this one. The Osmo app, or DJI app, is on the other one, and basically that's all the one you can use to get the tracking and stuff. So go ahead, let's open this. But on this one, you can use like 20 apps or plus, so to do the tracking and everything. So that'll be nice to be able to use other ones. Let's see what we got. We got a nice little bag in here. The other one came with the bag too. Instructions. So you got little verbiage in there. 200 plus compatible apps for camera tracking. One tap shooting. Early shoot with free tilt mode. Free tilt mode? So we'll check that out as we get deep into it. What else we got in there? Got a little USB-C cable to USB-A for charging, but right now with all these devices and stuff, I got a multitude of cables that I really don't need anymore, so silicone packet. So this is the guy. It looks pretty compact. Let's get this open. See, all the vendors are doing this stuff now. It's a nice little cheap bag to put in there. So there it is. It's a nice little profile. Basically, you tilt it up. It's already starting up and everything. And let's see. We'll just put that down for now. And you also get this. This is the clamp you would use if you don't get the MagSafe one, or if your phone doesn't have MagSafe on it. So this is the little clamp that comes with the phone. It basically adheres. So it basically just clamps onto the Insta360 gimbal. Let me get this out of the way here. So all you have to do is really just attach and detach your phone. Obviously with the MagSafe one, it will do the same thing. Automatically goes into mode. You can see that it's pointing down. The camera or the phone's not even on it. And it already recognizes the MagSafe clip. Let's take that back off. And let's just power this guy off for now. You fold it up, turn it on off. Yep, everything's shut off. It's got labels and stuff here to tell you what's what, but let's take these guys off if I can. I have to open you back up. There you go. So it's got the mode button and everything there. We'll get deep into it when I do my comparison video. Let me see if I can just take some of these stickers off. And let's see, where is he going to? But it's much similar profile to the OM6 that I use. And this one don't want to come off. There we go. So, do we get them all? No, there's one still on top here. Actually, there's several on top still. So we'll take him off. That's the NFC chip is in that area, so you can activate it that way too. It's at the little mirror there, so like if you're doing a vlog or something, you can see if you're centered into it. If you're using the better camera on the other side and not the front-facing camera, which typically has lower resolution. He just doesn't want to come off either. Probably doesn't help that he's moving around. There we go. So we're all de-stickered there and everything. So the other functionality that I like about that, it comes with its own little tripod integrated into it. And the previous Flow, they said it wasn't that great of a stand, but this one supposedly is a lot sturdier. I mean, it's got good, it may have a little vibration, but once it's sitting down and if you're not moving it around, and the stabilization of the gimbal and your camera will definitely keep that monitored. But let's go ahead and check out a little comparison to the OM6 that I was using. So this is my OM6. It's in the dark color. It had like a folding, unlocking thing here that would get you going. And that would be standing like that. So they're comparable in size in that respect. This one's just a quick flip down. This one you got to flip down and kind of lock into place. So it would turn off and turn on. But it also, if you needed the tripod, you have to have this along with it. And it fits in the bag, which is nice. But it's two pieces to be able to, let's do this guy again. Turn him on. So that's basically the two together. They have a pretty standard, same height. This one's a little bit taller. Tracking and everything is better on the new Insta360 Flow 2. So I'll be checking that out and doing a little comparison to the OM6. But basically, I think I'm gonna like the new features, and I'll bring those to you in the next video. But I just wanted to show you a quick comparison between the two. I do like this tripod better. It seems like it's a little sturdier, but time will tell if that one will give me the same stabilization. And I could always keep this handy to use on this one too. So you have a tripod on tripod. So we'll see. You can also, it's got the 1/4 inch mounting in the bottom there, but this one folds up. It's all integrated into the handle. This one would give you a little more stretch if you needed it, but you also have telescopic on this guy too, so you're not really losing out on the reach that you would have. The DJI also has, let's see, probably similar reach, probably the same maker of the telescope thing there too. They both do a tilt in the upper part there, so they can both be tilted if you need to tilt it. This one has a tilt on this one too, so very comparable. Very pricing, I believe they're few dollars apart, maybe $15, $20 difference. I'd have to check that out, but you do have the integrated tripod, so if you just need to set it down real quick and you don't have the other piece for your OM6, you just put those out and you're ready to go as far as that. This guy clips on there. So you're ready to go on that. So yeah, I think this is going to be a good test of what the Insta360 can bring us in the mobile gimbal area, and we'll do some checking on that, guys. So don't forget to subscribe and like down below so you can keep track of what I'll be bringing you. Come on. So nice little compact design. Let's go ahead and see if it'll turn you off there. And you're staying on. There you go. Now you're going off. So that's it for the Insta360. This was the OM6 Osmo Mobile one. Very nice design too. But I think I'm gonna like the new features in this one, the tracking and everything, and the follow for when I do my vlogs for you guys. Right here where I'm sitting along. I mean, obviously this iPhone doesn't track me. I'll be setting that up to replace the basic tripod that I use for this vlog. But like I said, stay tuned for this comparison between the two and some footage and things that I can do with this and other Insta360 products. I got the X4 and I got a few small cameras that I'm gonna be playing with. So don't forget to like and subscribe, guys, and I will catch you next time. Have a good one.